Why can I not stop sneezing? This is fucked up. I've literally been fine all day. My allergies should not be acting up right now. Hey! I need a fucking tissue. I'm literally so far away from my dorm. Hey! I'm so fucking tired of this shit. Fuck, I really need to stop. This is getting annoying. It just rained yesterday. My allergies. Oh, yeah, acting up this bad. The false starts is what gets me every time. How are you gonna make me sneeze so much and still false start? They tease me for real. Full stop. I think whoever created pollen should die. It's not even fucking pollen. It's just because of the fucking... It's cold out now. The cold always fucking gets to me. Like I said.